Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We got another very interesting recipe for everyone. This is called the monkey brain. Hiro-san,
Monkey brain?
monkey brain. Now, we have a lot of graphic stuff on this channel already. I wish we had some real monkey brain. In fact, one of the shops up north sell brain, cow brain. And I think they might have some pig brain too, but monkey brain I haven't seen. It's actually a delicacy in China. So if you guys want to know more about monkey brain, just Google it. Monkey brain in China, you'll find it. But thanks to Jimmy Davis, thank you so much. On Instagram, he sent a message if you can make a monkey brain. Actually, I didn't even know this existed. A monkey brain. And they call it a sushi roll, which it isn't really a sushi roll, but just a few ingredients put together. So, have you seen this before, Hiro?
I see the monkey brain, how the process is. I see the book,
Yeah,
real one.
the real one.
But this one, I don't know.
Let's go through the ingredients.
Okay. Avocado. And I'm going to make the spicy tuna. And I have here the Dungeness crab instead of the imitation crab. I see in the video they are using the imitation crab.
Right, and this was $32 for the whole crab. The whole crab yielded about 8 ounces of meat. That's insane. Okay, Hiro?
And then the masago, scallion, the eel sauce and the spicy mayo, and the salt and pepper.
Okay.
And they're going to use the tempura powder, tempura butter, and panko
All right.
coating.
All right, this is fairly simple, no?
Yep, very, very
Okay.
simple.
All right, let's begin here.
Okay, let's start it. First, I'm going to do spicy tuna.
Okay.
Okay, add spicy mayo. Like this. And the crab meat. Inside, I'm going to use maybe this much. A little bit salt, pepper, and the spicy mayo. Avocado. Off skin. This. First, I'm gonna put the crab meat in the middle. This. Then, now I'm gonna add the spicy tuna on the half. spicy tuna. Like this. Shape like a back to the avocado, right?
Yeah, that's great. Just like that.
Like that. First I'm gonna put into powder, tempura powder. Same process like almost like you put in the katsu, but instead of the egg, I'm gonna put into the tempura butter. Like that. Then next step is panko. Okay, looking good.
Oh yeah, looks like an avocado, huh?
Right,
Like a regular avocado.
regular avocado, right? I'm gonna slowly put it inside. Okay, let's check. Yeah, looking good.
Looks like a big egg, like an ostrich egg.
Oh yeah,
This goes with your egg series, Hiro,
Yeah,
your
egg
personal
series.
channel.
yeah.
Take a
You
look
know,
at this.
ostrich, right? The
Looks
big
like an
one.
ostrich egg. Yeah, a
Yeah,
little bit
I
smaller.
want to get that egg.
Yeah.
Really, I want to try. This much big, right?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah. Okay, let's cut in half and set up on the plate. Hopefully everything okay. I'm going to cut into this way, this half. Wait a second. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna evenly make in half and half. So avocado is sitting here and crab is sitting here. Better I cut in this way. Tuna's nice in the
Let's take a look at that
No.
before you do all the cutting.
spicy
Alright.
tuna well done is not good, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, like that. One, two, maybe 5 pieces.
And they call this a monkey brain sushi roll. I don't understand where the roll comes from. Just fried avocado. Not really a roll, right? There's no rice.
Yeah. Even doesn't have a sushi rice.
Yeah. This one can be face up, maybe? What do you think?
Face up. Not so well.
Okay, it looks good, Hiro. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is one. It's gotta be one of the easier things you've done, huh? It looks almost like a crunchy crab salad. You know, doesn't it?
Crunchy crab salad.
Yeah. Which was just crab meat and avocado, some panko,
with tempura flakes.
tempura flakes. Yeah. Actually, colors are very attractive.
Mm.
You know, you got the green, you got the spicy mayo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Presentation wise, I'll tell you, give it a 10. See why this is so popular, you know?
Mm.
Looks good, Hiro. Do you like it?
Monkey brain split and a half.
Yeah. Kaboom. Well, thank you so much to our Patreon supporter, Jimmy, who made a comment on our Instagram post. If you guys want to see anything done, ask Hiro-san and it shall be granted, right? Hopefully we can make whatever your fans want to see.
Yeah, next request.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you guys have a great day.
Yeah,
And
thank you very much.
like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you very, very soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Hiro-san, we're here for the tasting.
Tasting parts,
Are you ready for this monkey brain?
monkey brain.
I wonder if it's going to make us smarter after we eat it. What do you think?
Mm.
More brain matter for everyone. Because Hiro, enjoy.
Okay. Mm.
I can tell you the combination works wonderfully. And with this real crab meat, the real Dungeness crab meat, probably tastes even better, you know?
Creamy
Creamy, right?
avocado.
Yeah, the avocado's great. Oh man, this is going to be hard to pick up at one shot. Okay, this is a two-part.
Mm. Yeah, actually this way is more easier.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I like it very creamy. I like the outside part is really crunchy. Really change up in texture compared to what's inside, really soft.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, it's good. I'd order this. For sure, I would order this.
I think if you put the monkey brain
Mm-hmm.
instead of the spicy tuna, you should put an uni. Right?
Mm-hmm.
See what's inside.
Mm. Oh yeah. Really good.
The avocado.
Yeah.
When you open up the uni, the
Yeah,
yellow
well,
stuff,
that'd be nice.
halfway like melting.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Well, it's good. Thank you again, Jimmy. And thank you all for being here. And we'll catch you soon.
Thank you.